Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup look. If it's your first time coming by my channel, my name is TT Logan, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today in this video I filmed this really pretty glittery smoky eye. I feel like it came out so pretty. Y'all know how I feel about reds. If you're an OG on my channel, you already know I love red and I love glitter. Anyway, I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. Let's jump right into this video. So I'm gonna use this P. Louise base in shade rumor number 3. I think I'm gonna kind of keep it simple as far as cut creases go. I think I'm gonna do like a smoky eye. Because with my smoky eyes, I like to have like a really seamless transition. Like, I like to start light and then work my way down to dark. I know some people do it backwards. Not saying that it's wrong to do it that way. It's just, I don't do it that way. So this could be something like to do when you don't want to spend too much time in the mirror. You want to really just get in and get out type of situation. Dark red on my eyelid. So I'm going to take this spoolie and just brush some of the product out of my eyelashes. Duo brush on eyelash adhesive. My first time using this, so I don't know if I'm going to like this. I like to use the squeezy glue, but we're going to see how this one performs. So I'm going to use some Embryo Lease Cream to prime. You don't need a whole bunch, just a little tiny bit. And I'm just going to prime my face with that. And I'm only putting this where my foundation going to be at. Okay, I'm gonna spray with some Ben Nye Final Seal. I'm gonna spray this first because it's like, it's on like the sticky side, and I just kind of feel like it's gonna be better for the foundation to sit on top of that. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Lagos. I need a lot of this. Rose water and glycerin. I love glycerin, y'all. Like, I feel like glycerin is so important. Me and glycerin are best friends. I kid you not. Love glycerin. Y'all, I promise my new foundation routine is so simple. I love it. And I just really like that it accentuates what I already got going on. I just pray that I have good footage to do this video because I done been in and out of focus with this darn mirror that I'm holding in my hand, but I have trouble seeing far away. And I'm trying not to look off to the side too much. But bear with me. I know I say that all the time, y'all. The Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade number 12. Okay, so I just put that on first. That's actually a lot. Now I'm gonna use ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium dark, and I take that, and it actually just broke on me. I'm so upset. Ugh. I just put a little bit of that just to brighten. Y'all, I'm so irritated with this thing. Look at this. I mean, come on. Really? The whole doe foot came off the thing. Like, some things can be so aggy, y'all, I promise. So I just take like a small brush in these areas, and I kind of blend first like that. Then I like these little Real Technique brushes. They're really, really fluffy. I love these. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and do a little bit more. I know this is really extensive. I don't do my makeup every day. Let me just say that. First and foremost, because I'm gonna just be honest. I can't do this every day. No. If anything, I'll do like my eyes. But for foundation, unless I'm going somewhere like fancy or whatever, which I hardly ever, I really only do my foundation on camera, because it give me like a Hollywood movie star kind of look. Like, it'd be so pretty, y'all. Like, I just don't be really having nowhere to go. Everybody, so right now what I'm doing is just wiping where I might have got foundation in the wrong spots. Now this may not be everybody's cup of tea, but it's mine. To each his own. So I'm gonna take another one of those Real Technique brushes. It's just the same brush. This one is just clean now. And see right how that look real sharp? I'm just gonna soften that. Next, I'm gonna take another ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This one is in the shade Deep Dark. So I just take this and come down in these two areas about that low. Just that far in. I don't come any further with that. And then same up here. Okay, so I go back with my foundation brush and I kind of make sure that I get between my foundation, highlight, and contour, and just marry all of that together. Okay, I'm just gonna stipple in that rose water. This is the RCMA No Color Powder. About that much on my sponge. My little sponge is so beat up. And I just kind of press it in. This one is in Dark Deepest. And it looks like this. Love, love, love. This powder is so flawless, y'all. Oh my gosh. I mean, if you're a makeup guru or you know anything about makeup, you already know MAC. I think this is the mineralized skin finish. Now mind you, I don't buy a lot of stuff from MAC. I love their glosses. Some of them be way too thick, but I like the glosses and I like this powder. But I don't I don't really purchase too much from MAC. But this powder right here, when I say y'all this is the truth, this is just the truth. Like, that's, if I don't have that, like, I don't even want to do my makeup. Like, mood kill, finish, finito, done. So I'm just contouring with some brown eyeshadow. So that gold shade in the Saharan 2 palette, at the top row in the middle, Aziza, that's what I like to highlight my cheeks with. Okay, so I use like different eyeshadows for different parts of my face, not just my eyes. Like, for instance, I like to contour with a eyeshadow. I like to highlight with eyeshadows. So I like to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Sand right here. I tried this a couple times, and this is what I use to highlight down the middle of my face. So just a little bit up here, my nose, top of my lip, and my chin. So now I like to put on some lip gloss, and lately I just been wearing my MAC Oyster Girl lip gloss. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you like the way that this came out. I'm super duper excited about it. Y'all, I be so proud of my little looks. Oh my gosh, like, I just love it. All right, be sure to tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.